Alright, this video is a little different. It's not one of the standard GPS aerial photography drones. This time I have a little small brushless racing drone that I'm going to start playing with. And this is for anyone trying to get into FPV and you want to try it out and make sure you like it. This is under 200 bucks for this whole setup. It comes with the box here, or the travel case. And this is pretty much everything you need to get flying FPV. The only thing about it is you can't record on this. Does not have an SD card or anything like that. So I already had this Poke FPV. It's a USB, plug into my phone, and I'll be recording what my drone sees using this device here. So if you see, it comes with the EMAX Tinyhawk, and it's a small brushless quad, and it does have prop guards on it. The body does protect them. So this is good for if you're just starting out and you start crashing, that there's less chance that you can break anything. Came with one battery, but you can order multiple batteries off of eBay. I bought a couple off of there. Here's your charger. It's a nice little charger, and good thing about this is everything is USB. You can charge it via USB, so you don't have to go adding any extra batteries. Here's your charger for it, and this will go into the goggles right here. And here's your goggles, and these are the EMAX goggles, and I'll put the model number of these on there that they come with. And there's another antenna for the goggles in here. I had to find that and put it on. And your manuals and prop guards, that's pretty much it. So the first video, I'm just going to put it in self-leveling and get it to where I can fly around and get used to the FPV. So if you're doing this also, you can follow along with my videos. And I believe the first step would be just to fly it around, make sure that you understand what it looks like in FPV, you know, compared to where the drone is, before you start getting into manual to where it doesn't self-level and everything else. So we'll just get it started, get in the air, and see what it looks like on the FPV. Here's my FPV screen, and instead of hitting record, which you can right here, I'm just recording my whole screen for this video. And so I'll just keep this up and going while I fly it around using the goggles, and then come back and see how the footage looks later. Alright, starting to get the hang of it. Took a minute. Fly low. Try this pinching. Oh boy. Nope, don't like the pinching. Try bringing it forward. Okay. Try this again. Try to get myself right. Low battery. And we'll turn it off. Alright, that's it. I let it run down to low battery and it came down on its own. Kind of came down hard, but as you can see, nothing's wrong with it. So follow my channel. I'm going to continue to try to learn how to use this thing. I also bought some race gates, so hopefully I get good enough to where I can go through some gates, and maybe you can buy the same thing or one similar and follow along with me, and we'll learn how to do this together. So please like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos on this and other reviews of quads and other tech, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.